Hi, I'm Rishabh P, Nair, Head of Brand and Content for TIL Limited. Today we have with us Ben, who's the Vice President for Sales and Marketing in the APIC region. Ben, how is it to be here? We wanted to just talk to you and find out what's your favorite thing about the new Hyster ReachStacker.
Yeah, really good. So it's really impressive to see the manufacturing processes that have gone into it. It looks really good quality, and I just think some of the technology that's been invested in the facility just adds that credibility to how good the truck is. Right. The test track's really impressive. I understand it's the only test track in India for ReachStackers, so really exciting to see it all.
And how has your experience been with the team here at TIL?
Really good. Yeah, I think while it's a refresh of the new ownership, there's over 400 machines in the field, so from a branding perspective, it's not a new start. Right. Really good brand representation here in India, so I think it's a great opportunity for us just to leapfrog into next year.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.